Bruh, brother, I got a message. I got a message, y'all. I wish I could get the link. All right. Okay, I think we're back in action. Earlier this morning, it was, and the internet is still acting a little weird. Can't lie. Can't lie, won't lie. It's acting a little weird, a little strange. Yes, it's going well. How are you, Roha? How's the weather in the big SA? That did not sound right. Yes, first. How's um the weather in San Ann? Oh, what's the temperature here? It is 89 degrees. Did I just see a ghost? Okay. I need to log into Discord. Been feeling motivated to do gym. Can you motivate me to get my ass up and go right now? Yeah, go. Go. Do your thing. You know, anybody that I see with a name and then a dash and then that weird assortment of characters at the end, like being creative dash QG5VS, it really feels like a bot. I'm wondering, should I put that I work here? Human resources specialist at government agency. Somebody, hold on. I can tell who it is just by looking at the yeah, it was her. I knew it was her. I knew she would come and look at my she's so nosy, man. I knew it was her. When was this posted? I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm gonna tell y'all something that I've learned recently. Let me get this off my screen real fast. Something that I learned recently. She snooping? Yeah, she's snooping. I know exactly who she is too. But I don't you know, when you kind of accept the fact that some people are like just nosy, it's not even, it just becomes a part of them and not like something to be offended by. It is just a random username given by YouTube. Well, then change that shit. Being creative, what do? I work in human resources right now. That's what a bot would say. That's your actual YouTube channel? Well, I work in human resources. What do you do, being creative? All right, so we're gonna open DB browser. Go to the gym, Roha, or not. You know, as long as you don't eat crazy today, that's the most important thing. Just don't eat crazy and feel like you ruined your day. What's up, Poom Hub 288? What an interesting name. I am a student of IT. It is my last year. Are you in the United States? I'm a barista. I didn't know that, Rohan. That's like a whole new life. Like, what's next? What's next for you? What are you gonna do now? Is that a bad question to ask? You're from India? Come through India. Soon going to do my master's in Europe. Oh, nice. You been uploading projects to GitHub and stuff? Showing off yourself? Putting web development aside, man, by choice just to get a break. I miss working with cool people and enjoying life. Yeah. All right. Second lops? I don't know what that is. But I'm glad you're doing it. Somebody got to do the second lops. Okay. I'm gonna move this over here. I'm gonna X this out. I'm gonna minimize that. And now we have a screen. If y'all don't know, we're working on SQL. Let me just start. We're working on some SQL. This is our database created by Claude Code so that we could practice our, I forgot to post all that stuff everywhere. I'm yapping. That's what I get for yapping. Oh, they having another Fire Emblem come out? That's cool. I hear things outside. Okay, so let's close this. This is a second lost video I uploaded. Oh, the chat won't show links. I'm sorry, man. Sorry, buddy. So we got that, and now we want to go to Discord. We gon' license. We'll go to the streams. Oh, no, that's the other one. Whatever you like, very special. And then we're gonna go to LinkedIn, but I already know who looked at my LinkedIn. It's sad. Oh, man, you know what? I won't lie. I'm just gonna talk about it. I know someone that is extremely nosy. I need to change this. Oh, that's a draft. Hold up. Hold on. What am I doing? I'm confused. So I want to add a post. What is going on? Oh, that's featured. This is so confusing. Okay, there we go. No, I don't want the draft. Just stop it. Get on my nerves. Yo, what's up, Mark Bond? Hold on, don't you live in, how's the weekend going for you? Don't you live in my area? Why they being nosy? Man, she's just nosy, man. She's just, I don't think it's necessarily bad, but I don't think it's necessarily good either. I just leave it alone. I just leave it alone, man. What I've learned from this one individual is that, goodness gracious, you could that is not your first website. Oh, well, no shit. He said not my first website. What the hell? Y'all see this? This is the first. They said this is the first website they made. Those little splash animations, is that real? A person did that? Look how they like, man, there's no way a person sit there and did all that these days. People don't have the attention span. That little segment right there, nah, brother. Nah, brother, man. Let me see. It will say my profile views. But it just said somebody in government. Anyway, I know who it was. I'm very disappointed. It's very annoying. Oh, I got an endorsement by Ali. Okay, let me get off of that. Okay. It is very easy to make with AI. Yes, that's why I was saying like it didn't really give me a person made it. It felt like maybe AI did it. I'm sorry, I wasn't looking at the chat. Why? How's the weekend going for everyone? It's going good. Yeah, I do, man. Oh yeah. You stay. Let me ask you, Mark. Mark, are you working currently? How's work been treating you in the area? I don't get to talk to, even if it's vibe coded, I have to admit it's got the feel of yes, exactly. It felt very, yeah, it felt, hold on. All right. So back to what we're doing. So today we're gonna do tier 3 where we're doing joins and stuff. Um but okay, so my mind is everywhere. Okay, let's talk about the person that was being nosy on my profile. I'm gonna tell y'all what I've learned. At first, I would go online and I would think all those, you go to somebody's LinkedIn page and they have picture after picture after picture of them, having this award and this part of this group meeting, and they're doing this, and you see people and you see groups and you see this and you see that and blah 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 blah. I used to think that used to signal to me, oh, this person is a hard worker. Oh, they're trying to achieve. They're going for more, but then I realized that you can never judge a person that is in any type of organization simply off of the social media. It's just like when you go on Instagram and you see Instagram models and stuff, and you see these amazing pictures and they look like such a beautiful person, and then you go to their house and then you meet them and you realize they're actually like a trash individual. Yeah, so I'm actually on-site desktop IT at a place in Port Arthur. It's been going pretty good, getting ready for an office move probably next month on top of a few hardware projects going on. You looking to get in the field? I don't know if you know, but I was working IT at Jason's, like in Beaumont, like at their HQ or whatever. At the top of that tall ass building. Um, and then I got let go, and I didn't think that I think last year I would have said yeah to an IT job, but right now I'm in human resources now. Edison. So I think right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on human resources since it's going, right now I'm in a government role, a municipal role. So I don't think I can leave right now, especially seeing how everybody's struggling out here. That's not happening. That's not happening. People struggling out there. So, my arm is sore. I've been going to the gym, yeah. I've been trying to lose weight. All right. Exactly. So, like, especially recently, I don't know if you've been looking at the news, but you know, I'm not gonna say my city out loud, but I'm gonna say, I mean, I don't care to say it out loud, but right now I'm not in the mood. My city is doing a freeze on hiring for a little bit, so hopefully that changes because people really need jobs. From what I understand, for Texas, this is the second summer of like some of the lowest unemployment, some of the highest unemployment they've had. So, and the benefits are good. For the first time in probably like the last 13 years, I went and got my teeth cleaned. I did the periodontal deep clean on the left side. So now next time we're gonna do it on the right side. And like, yeah, so it's been beneficial to me recently. I got a place. I just got to move into it. So this job has been treating me good. The people that I work with are really good. You know, there's going to be hiccups, there's going to be issues anywhere you go, but for the most part, the people that I work with are great. But yeah. So right now my goal is to get into HR analytics since I'm already in HR. What's up? What's up? I don't build applications. I craft experiences. All right. So now we're going to start. This will be a light study session. I want to stay on for a couple of hours cuz I haven't done it in a while. Replace. Okay, so we're on tier 3, and if y'all don't know, what we're doing is we're learning SQL. So on last stream I went through all of this. Now we're on tier 3. So let's start by just doing a select on all rows. I don't know what whisper flow is, and now that you mentioned it, now I gotta look it up. Let's see. Whisper flow AI, voice to text anywhere. I don't need that. I speak English. Most people gonna try to speak English. I don't build apps. I craft experiences. Oh, yep, you're HR. All right, okay. You know what I learned about HR? HR is not your friend unless you document what's going on in your workplace. Unless you give like specific instances and you give a specific date, people who were present, what happened unemotionally, just step by step, what happened. Say exactly what was said to the best of your abilities and how it has affected your work. Select from employees. The problem is that most people go to HR, and it seems like they are attempting to just go there emotionally. And unfortunately, the law doesn't always care about your emotions. People do, but not the law. Okay, so we selected everything. So now it wants us to replace department ID with the actual department name. Hold on. Replace the department ID with the actual department name. Including a self join. I don't know how to. I don't know what a self join is. Joining a table to itself under two different aliases. So this one is saying we select E.last name as employee, M.last name as manager. Oh shit, this is confusing as fuck. Joins was something that I needed to review, and I don't even remember how to. Shit. Okay, so they want what's up? List active employees with their department name. Okay, maybe that's not as hard as I'm thinking about it. What's up? Good evening. Where Oh, we do have an. I'm fucking up. Okay, so we got a department's. Okay, I think I did it. Okay, so select concat first name, last name. Then we do the department name. Join departments on employees dot. Yeah, I think that works. And then we have to order. Let me see. We want to order by department. Then last underscore name. Descending. All right. Let's see what AI said, because I have another. I don't know if y'all know, but I got Claude to make me a database, and then I got it to make me solutions. So that was number 11. Scroll down so we don't see too many answers. We did all of this. No, it's not 11. Tier 3. Okay, 14. Employee ID, first name, last name. Oh, so you can, okay, I get it. Okay, let me tell it. This is my answer for 14. What is the... Oh, it's the triple. Okay, I forgot. I haven't done Markdown in a while. Okay, so I've been using concat a lot, and now it's telling me that concat is a gamble. So concat is a version gamble in SQL, in SQLite or whatever. It only arrived in late 2020. It worked when I ran it, but if your DB browser bundles an older engine, you'll get no function concat. So the best way to do it is to add those little bars. Use single quotes for the space. Double is double quotes, which in SQL mean identifier. A column or table name. SQLite has a legacy fallback that treats an unmatched double quote in identity. Okay, so they want single quotes. 3, name the column. Oh, I didn't. As name. I mean, yeah, that's fine. Department, okay. I also dropped the descending. The exercise asked for last name ascending, and descending was only attaching last name anyway, leaving department ascending and names of descending. So I have to do both. So I have to do that. Does that work? That does work. Per apartment, per department. Okay, so we got that right. Lord. Employees with department names. Okay. Ooh, that's the answers. So now let's go into, so now how many tiers are there? There's 6. Okay, so now we're gonna go, okay, so we're on tier 3, 14, 15. All right. Fif 15. Active headcount by department name and division, highest first. I'm on the right thing? Yeah, 14. Okay. Active headcount by department name and division. Active headcount. So we want active headcount, which is just simply counting this, and we get headcount. We're just gonna say active headcount by department name. By department name. By department name and division. Department, division. So we need department name and division. From employees join departments. Let me look at the department. Division, police, public safety. Okay. So active headcount. So we're going to get active headcount, department name, division. Join departments on to get the department name, we need to say employees dot department ID equal departments dot department ID. See what happens when we do that. Do I need to do group what I'll do is I'll put oh, that is not active headcount. Oops. Okay, that looks about right. That looks right to y'all? By the way, if y'all want to follow along, y'all can go to the Discord. And I think in resources, y'all can find the things that I'm doing right here. So I'll just post that in the chat. All right. All right. All right, so let's check our answer. So we should be on 15. Okay, so it says select department name, division, count. Oh, we can do 2 group bys. What was it before? Oh, I'm on the wrong one. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we can order by head count. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna say how many of y'all pay for Claude? See, I didn't know AS was optional. AS, where you instead of saying, see, I said count active head count, you can do count as. So it says I group by department name. That's required. Anything in your select that isn't inside an aggregate has to be in the group by. Drop division from the grouping in SQL. SQLite lets it slide. It picks an arbitrary value, but SQL Server most reject the query outright. Getting in the habit now saves you a confusing error later. The other thing you did was not omit. You did was omit as before the alias. Both legal. As is optional for column aliases, exactly like it is for table aliases. Most people include it on columns because without it, a typo turns into a silent alias. And all right. Okay. So now we go to number 16. Active head count by job title and department name, requiring joining 3 tables. All right. So it says we need active head count. Oh, I see. Because what we need is a couple of things. So first, we're going to need to select we're going to call that head count. Then we're going to say we need the job title. So we're gonna say job title. So, and then we need the department name. All right, from employees. Then we're gonna join. We're gonna join. Oh, I didn't know that. So we join. So we got the department. We need the. Okay, so for us to get job title, what we need is to join job underscore codes on employees dot job code equal job codes dot job code. Then we're going to join departments on employees dot department ID equal department equal employees dot department ID. And I'm going to group by and we're going to order by headcount. Descending. So we're grouping by why is it only giving me police? Oh, there we go. We're going to group by job title. We're going to order by head count. Is that a thing? Okay, so that works. Now we're going to number 17. Head count. Hi, bro. I usually get confused whenever I get these kind of... Yeah, man. It is confusing. It is very, very confusing. But I'm pretty sure it'll get easier over time. So we want head count and average salary by division. Check 4 divisions. Okay. Can I do that? Oh, I can. So they want active head count by department. So we want department underscore name, and we want to count as active head count from employees, right? Oh, that's oh yeah. Join departments. We want head count and average salary. Where average is current salary as average salary. No backseat coding. We don't do that. We don't do answers. Don't do that. On department ID equal departments. What's up, Daniel? Dot department. No, ID. Oh, there's a department's department ID, right? Department ID. And employees has a department underscore ID. Oh, this. All right. Let's go ahead and round this. Or even 2 is fine. All right. And then active head count and average salary by division. By division. So we want division. We're going to group by division, and we're going to group by division, order by all right. This is my answer for 17. of. I keep forgetting that. From join. I think we do it by right here. Where all right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's base. There's no need to limit it. There's no need to use limit. You must not. You're not seeing the full database. I'll take the time to explain it since I don't have none. Okay, so these are the departments. Oh, hold on. I messed up. No, no. Yeah, there's one, two, three, four. Yeah, there's four divisions. Never mind. No, I did it right. We don't need to use limit. There's no need to use limit. Do you know how limit works? Self join. List active employees. List active employees alongside their manager's full name. List list active employees alongside their manager's full name. Employees with no manager should still appear. So it looks like each employee has a manager ID, and that manager ID is that manager's employee ID. So the employee ID, this is a manager. Michelle is a manager. Yeah, there was no reason to use limit because there was always only going to be four results. And we wanted to see every department, not a certain not like the top three departments. Like if we want to see the top three or top two departments with a certain amount of head count, then we would use limit. Order by the head count, descending, limit to. All right. And see, I need to go over left join. I need somebody. I need a picture. I need it to be. Yeah, I'm gonna ask Claude to do that in a second after we do 18. Self join, list active employees. So we're gonna select I think it told me I should do last name. Employees with no manager should still appear. Oh, I get it. I get why we would be doing this. I'll just call this M. How would I do this? When I say Uh, hold on. You're not listening to me. How we do that? Oh yeah, put user in timeout. There we go. Told you not to give me the answer. What's wrong with you? You're not listening. I'm gonna do what you said do, but you're not listening to me. That didn't even help because it's something else. So what? I would do. Oh, so I need to name both of them because they're pulling from the same column. There we go. Okay. Now we gonna take a little breaky break. I wonder what happened if I would have used join. Okay. All of this is leading up to something I'm doing at work. Um, there's an audit that I've been trying to do for a couple of months. I ran into some hiccups, and man, once I finish it, it's going to be so good. I feel like I've completed something. Honestly, I could probably, I need to learn XLOOKUP in Excel. Do I have Excel? And you gotta pay for Excel? Ain't that some bullshit? I feel like Excel should be free. I guess they would be missing out on a lot of money. Oh, before I even move on, I need to get this to visualize. Yeah, so we're gonna take notes on that. Nah, baby, we gonna like some. We gonna like some very special. The rest of our lives. Oh, I didn't start the work yet. Got some minutes to. I need to update my LinkedIn. Let me check somebody over here. Malachi, come on. What you been eating? What you been eating? It is not food. The river's alright. Hello, AO Proto. Just taking a short break. Oh yeah, that's what I was looking up. Activity. There's people have an activity tab. Oh. Oh my bad. I didn't see your question, AO. We're doing SQL. I'm learning SQL and all this stuff. Um, and just doing general job. Right now I'm in a phase where I'm gearing up. I'm learning the stuff in my current role. I'm preparing for a new role. What's up, Bear? I'm doing good. So y'all gonna probably on this stream you're gonna see me do a lot of stuff that might not be. Yeah, SQL is nice. So if you're curious, you can go to Discord, or I can put the link. It's up to you if you're interested. I have an exercise file, um, an exercise file, and then I got a database right here. So if you want to do some SQL stuff, I'm doing very hard. You doing? Oh yeah, I remember this. Oh, this was confusing the hell out of me one day. I remember that. I might have to take a trip down. Actually, I think I got a pretty good understanding of SQL. Oh, that's cool. What do you do for a living? I like how you answered that question. That must imply what were you applying? Implying. Oh, I got a little thing by my name. It says that I'm streaming. Oh shit. So what's gonna have to happen is I redo this profile, all of this stuff. So I'm probably gonna get Oh, the PDF only saved a certain amount. I thought it would save the whole page. Oh, it didn't even finish downloading. We're gonna run a test real quick with Claude. He's going to fall asleep eventually. Are you gonna finish downloading? All right. I do freelance web development on the side. I'm not in the field professionally. Learn JavaScript, SQL, HTML5, advanced CSS, Python, and AI. What are you doing right now? Oh, you doing freelance web development on the side. So what do you do as your main thing? It's okay. I'm not even in web development. You know, I don't know if you felt like this was like a web development space. It's a tech space, I guess now. It's evolving. Okay. So I'm gonna use this time to we're gonna open up a new chat and I'm going to give it these two files. Oh, they're together. Okay, well then let's take it section by section. Is that how you spell spruce? I'm a machine operator for a magazine manufacturer. I like machines and figuring out how they function. That's cool. You got any live websites or anything like that? I just saw you had code up while I was scrolling, so I clicked in it. In oh, you can go to my GitHub. I haven't been to my GitHub in a while. I need to upload. See how like the first part of the year I was doing all this and then bam, it died. Cause I got my job around here. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna just let AI do its thing here. We gonna put this. I don't know why I'm putting Avalon. I'm gonna just do it, whatever. Okay, I just put that. I don't technically work in compensation though. Okay. I like this. This is better. This is more honest. I would prefer to be more honest with people. What? I thought the open to work would be gone. I don't know how you comfortable right there now. God, that look uncomfortable. Yeah. Why don't you lay down like this? Yeah, now look, you got all this space. Yeah, you got all this space. I can feel you getting comfortable. I thought I changed it. It didn't update yet? Oh, it didn't. It just didn't update. It's crazy. As soon as my phone said, "Oh, it's gonna rain," I felt like I smelled the rain. Dang, your breath stank. Yeah, I said that. I said it on stream. Your breath stank. For real. What the hell? Somebody out there like, why is he using AI to do this? Because honestly, I don't know what to put in a LinkedIn profile. I'm gonna just do it like that. We're just gonna keep it like that. Okay, so it says I need to. What is this? Ooh. Oh, that's Mega Break. I'm gonna have to watch this later. Every time I see somebody say that they graduate from Harvard or this or that or the other and they're unemployed, yeah, yeah. Okay, so who does this on a Saturday? Okay, so we can just save it. Okay, so um, when did I start this? When was the start date? $8 months ago, but is it gonna say the exact date? November 11th. So many things in my life have happened in November, and this was 2025. Who does this on a Saturday afternoon? Oop, I got my belly showing. Oop. Leave associated with blank. Your options there are existing, experiencing. Okay, let me. All right. I've been debating on whether or not I finish my master's program. Genetic counseling. When did I start this? I think it was 21. No. When did the pandemic happen? Let's say 21. Let's just say August of 21. We gon' light some candles tonight. I'm a nerd, yeah. This is what I'm doing on my Saturday. Oh. I'm gonna just save this for now. Leave that alone, go back. Hello again, just wanted to say you've done it. You've motivated me enough to learn something during my PTO. Oh, what are you gonna learn? Trying to make a little idle desktop game in C++. Okay, that sounds fun. There was this website that everybody was using when I was learning C++. I forget the name of it, but everybody was like really into it. Everybody wants to learn C++. The rest of the forum. Oh, I need to go back. Oh, I'm feeling lazy, but I know I can't be lazy. Don't be lazy, Chris. Don't be lazy, Chris. Yeah, man. Oh, learn CPP? Yeah. Oh, I'm not gonna ask for a recommendation from nobody. Okay, what else should I do? I'm gonna take a picture of everything that I got so far. So I got this. We got our about. We got our activity. Got our experience. Our licenses and certifications. We got our projects. It's probably going to tell me to add more projects. Well, I'm glad you're going out there and doing it, brother, man, brother. Do your thing. I'll add the thing that I didn't think I was going to add. I was scared to add it. I guess I'll just put assistant. Oh yeah, let me. Okay. So I need to. Hold on, my friends, my companions. I gotta enter codes and log into things. All right. Okay. Education says okay. So then it says that I need to add skills. Operate. Maybe I should take a small. I should walk around a little bit. Let me walk. I'll be right back. Long break. Well, I got my wallet on me. Phone. All right, I'll be back. Okay. Okay. This stream has turned into a okay. So this is looking a little bit better. What's my headline? Oh, say. I have a lot of activity. Hold up. There has to be more on here. Oh, he got on that docu design. That's cool. I wonder what jobs do these people have available? Y'all hiring software engineers? The ear problems. I like her headshot. It's different. Tilted to the side. Like, what's up, motherfucker? That's what it's giving. She's in Fred, Texas. Certified life coach. That's cool. Why did she come up? Oh, she worked at DocuSign. Oh, she went to LIT. Huh? Crown misusing. Not a real profile, I don't think. Or maybe it is. I don't know. I spend so much time adding people who. Let me see. Oh, he works at General Motors. Oh shit. Oh, look at this. It's like a little. I didn't know you could do that on. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Wow. What this dude works at Photon? Dr. Jamal. You know what? He's one of those people. You see his picture? Won't lie, it don't look inviting, but I bet he's an awesome manager. It's always people that give this type of look that end up being some of the most best, surprising, and interesting people you meet. I have a friend, he mean mugs people. One of the best people I've ever had the opportunity to be friends with. All right. So let's start this part off by, I'm gonna just start following people. Let's see what this dude is about. HR International. What is HR International? I've never heard of this before. Oh, let me leave that alone. It says San Antonio, Texas. Malachi, go lay down. Sit. Climb. That random yelling, man. It's the only problem with Malachi. Other than that, Malachi's awesome. Human Resources Community, what certified manager? For the Texas State Teachers Association. Okay, that's cool. Assistant Human Resources Director at Stephen F. Austin State University. That's cool. Okay. I'm gonna just send him a message. Oh, I can't send him a message. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Hold on, maybe I can increase this to 100%. Okay, there we go. Human Resource Generalist at University of Houston. They won't let me message her, but I can follow her, which is okay. Porter Robinson, Senior Talent Acquisition Partner, Quantum Infrastructure Solutions Group. This is a great, I don't know if it's AI. I don't care if it's AI. The catch lights are popping. All of this is a great picture. Eric Ganhano. He works at Hayes County. He's the Human Resources Director. He looks so young. Oh, this man knew exactly what he wanted to do. Oh, let me see. This is huge. This is cool. AI is like, has been, oh yeah, there was a girl who called my job. Oh, who's this? There was a girl who called my job. That is a Nigerian name, through and through. There was a girl who called my job recently talking about, you know, trying to get headshots done. And I was like, man, you better get AI to do that. Take a good picture. Ask AI to make it cute for you. Women's hospital. I don't think people. Randstad Digital. At Energy Transfer? None of these will let me message. They want me to have LinkedIn Premium, which I don't know if I'll ever pay for again. Bless the hearts of those who. This looks like. It's a amazing picture. A picture shows off the ring. Great hairdo. It's really like a glamour shot, and I was not expecting. It's like, yeah, I do human resources, but I'm also a model. Tanya Scott, director at Gigapower. What does director? What does Gigapower do? What is Gigapower? I don't have time to look for it. I'm a follower. Okay, so I can follow Brianna Johnson. See, looking at these people makes me realize that not only do I need to Brandy, that's an interesting. Have I ever seen Brandy spelled like that? I don't think so. PHR. Oh, okay. If y'all don't know, I'm going for the SHRM, SPHR. Sherm. Data informed people strategy. That's interesting. De los Santos. De los Santos. That's what it feels like. This is near Austin. Human Resources, state of Texas. So she works for the state. Even better. Because I would like to. I don't know if y'all can tell by. No, what is this? What does this guy do? Also, I can view. They want me to reactivate premium. Do y'all see how much they charging for this shit? Do y'all see that? Ridiculous. $60 a month. $60 a month for LinkedIn Premium. You can do hundreds of applications on LinkedIn and not get any feedback, right, from LinkedIn. They don't care. LinkedIn member VP. I can't view that one either. So as I go in here, okay, so okay, I see what it's done. I mean, but it's gonna come to a point one day where I'm just gonna have to get it because I don't know any other way to network with people but beyond LinkedIn. So to a repo screenshot, it said oh, what? Your posts are being throttled. 37 and 44 impressions against 711 followers is roughly 5% reach. Two causes, both fixable. The external link. LinkedIn suppresses posts containing outbound links. Put the YouTube link in the first comment instead, and the post body gets normal distribution. What? The skills section. I don't see a skills section. Oh. Why won't it let me? Alright. We open another tab. Hey, or how long to be? Um, Boom, 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 boom. I need a different let's see. I'm gonna throw up. Whew, this is so like I'm gonna have to create my own little artistic little. Yo, how are things going with you? Hopefully great. Hey, Renter Blue Frost, I didn't see your comment. I'm sorry. Everything's going great. I hope everything's going great for you. Oh my god. Sprucing up my LinkedIn. Things are going good. Hold up. How are things going for you? Did I ask you that? I'm sorry if I didn't. Let me know how things are going for you, brother. Oh, that's another thing I have to do. These streams are turning into y'all seeing what I do, what I have to get done. Oh, they're in LA. Never mind. That's not the same prices that's gonna be over here. Never sign up for ADT home security. Hold on, why? Oh, okay. This is my sanitized survey data. All right. So I did a salary survey this week, so I'm just adding it to my profile. I gotta add it in the right way. So I had this data over here, but I couldn't post it because it could be potentially I just... Come on over, baby, we gon' light some candles. Very special. We gon' do whatever you like. Oh, hold on. Somebody messaging me. Pending. We have 3. Oh, this person is from Jacob's server. Oh, wow. Look, it's creating a banner for me. I have 711 followers. It's crazy. Why do I feel like I've met him before in my life? No possible way we've met before. I like this one. Ooh, I like this one. Yeah, yeah, this one is the one. This one is the one. Bam. All right. Okay. Looks like I've done my part on my LinkedIn for today. Austin, Texas metropolitan area. Lord, may my hair be as glorious and as full and as rich.
Someone would protect it out front door.
So since I updated my LinkedIn, I'm getting the right things now. I just had to change a few things. All right. On to our, what is she doing? Okay. I guess we can go back to what we were doing before. Hold up, there's no way that another hour has already passed. I got this. I need to. All right, let's see. Is there an Excel certification? All right, so let's find, because I feel like so much is everywhere all at one time with this website. All right, I'll just continue, whatever. Hold on, what? I was using insert.
Nav total feature allows to have various Excels menu. Excel offers a wide range of In this video, we'll focus on managing and formatting data to make it more informative and visually appealing. If you're ready to dive in, ensure you've opened the Formatting Data Starter tab under the Workbook Starter in the Demo subfolder. Let's enhance our data set. Named ranges are a game changer in Excel, simplifying data reference in formulas outside tables. Let's start by naming our price column. Select all the cells in the column, excluding the header, and head over to the Formulas menu. Click on Define Name and name this range house underscore prices. Repeat the process for square foot underscore living column. Named ranges like these make future calculations more straightforward. Now, if we click on the Name Manager, a new window will open to show
Oh, y'all can hear that
the
shit.
department.
Hey, I'm gonna do this one and then I'm gonna call it a day. All right, so this one says count active employees with no manager. So we want I put where. Can I put it here? What am I doing wrong? Okay, so we got the department name. We got the count of active employees. With no manager. Hmm. Today is gonna be a very chill day. For real. Probably gonna call one of my homies, talk to him, see what he's doing. The hell? I'm gonna have to make my own damn chart. Fine, I'll do it myself. Alright, anyway. So we ended on Number 19. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. It helps me make sweet love to the algorithm. Make sure you update your LinkedIn. Okay? Make sure you do that. You hear me? Alrighty. We'll talk to y'all later tomorrow when I stream again. Alright. I have anything else for me? I think everything is good. Nothing? Alrighty. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.